Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Analytics Expert. In this channel, you will get excellent knowledge of MIS, data analytics, BI development, and data science. If you are looking any types of training, you can come to me. I will give you proper training of with practical knowledge. So in this video, I will cover up how we can apply VLOOKUP with for each. So here I will write a script to apply VLOOKUP. Okay, so let's see the practical approach. So here you need to see how many data is here. You have 6 data. Excluding header, you have 6 data. So what I have to do, I need to go to developer tab, Visual Basic. So here I will remove this one and I will write here for each. So I'm removing this. Now I'm going to write the macro name, sub, then macro name. We look up function in VBA. So first you need to decide how many parameters to be passed in VLOOKUP. So here I need to pick department. Okay. So here I will pick total salary. Okay. So you need to decide how many parameters to be passed in VLOOKUP. So you can see here manual approach. VLOOKUP. First parameter is lookup value, which is this value. Table array, which is this array. Call index number. Column index number means which columns data I am looking. I'm looking department, so column index number will be 1, 2. Why I'm taking from B column? Because my lookup value is name. That's why I'm counting from B column. Okay. So here I'm taking reference of this, comma. Then you have to take reference from B column to H column. Freeze it, comma, 2, comma, 0, enter. Now you can see here you are getting department. If you want to take total salary, then you need to apply same function, but column number will be changed. Lookup value is this one, comma, table array is this one, freeze it, comma, column number 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need to pass here 7, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. So you can see here I have extracted total salary. So same thing I will do through the VBA. Okay. So here I am going to write a macro. My macro name is VLOOKUP function in VBA. So first I have to activate the sheet. Okay. So I have already activated the sheet. I'm going to write down the code. So what I have to do, I need to write code to activate sheets. My sheet name is employee. You can see here sheet name is employee. So I have to apply here employee dot select. After that, I have to declare 3 variables. First is dim. Dim is a keyword to declare variable. Then I have to write down first variable RNG, which will be lookup value. Lookup value we will get one by one in RNG. Okay. Second is RNG LST. Okay. RNG LST I will take this reference. Okay. And comp RNG. Comp RNG. Comp RNG means complete range of data. Okay. So here in comp RNG, I will store this complete data. Okay. So here I am putting as range. Range is a object name of X in VBA. So here I have taken data type as array. Now I have to put down this reference in one variable. So I will have to write here set. Why I'm writing here set? Because my data type is object name. That's why it's mandatory to write set. So here I will take RNG equal to, here I have to store range J1, not J1, J2 to J7. Okay. Now I have to take this complete range in another variable. Okay. So another variable name is set com RNG. So you need to store here range B2 to B, not B, H50. Okay. Then I have to apply here for each. For each, here I have to use RNG variable where I will get lookup value one by one in RNG. Okay. In, so you have to pick the lookup value from this range. This range is stored in RNG LST. This RNG LST. So you need to write here RNG LST. Okay. Now next RNG. Now I have to pick the result into K column. So this is a RNG. From RNG, we have to move one right. So you need to write here RNG dot offset 0, 1 equal to what value I'm looking. I'm looking here VLOOKUP result set. So you need to write here worksheet function dot VLOOKUP, and lookup value will be RNG. In RNG variable, I will get one by one this value in RNG variable. Then lookup range is this range. This range I have stored in our comp RNG. So you need to pass here comp RNG. Column number I have to take second, because from name I have to take department. So I have taken second, comma, 0 bracket close. Now VLOOKUP is done for department. Okay, you can see here you will get data department. Done. F5, you can see here we have received department. Now I will take total salary. So you need to copy same line, paste here. I need to move 2 offset. This is a RNG. From RNG 1, 2 need to move. So I have written here 2. And here I need to take column number 7. Why 7? From this column to this column, we have 7 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same 7 I have written. Now I'm pressing F5. You can see here data is available as per column. That's it for this video. If you are looking training of advanced Excel, VBA macro, MS Access, MS Access VBA, SQL Server, Power BI, Tableau, R, Python, you can come to me. I will give you excellent training, better than all institution. I'm a working professional. I have 14 years of experience in analytics and data science. So nobody can give you training like me. It's my guarantee. If you take it seriously, then you will get job easily after getting training from my side. Thank you so much.